these trees are really cool because this tree fell right here, but this huge root ball split out of the ground right there, if you could see the giant hole. All these trees were together, and right here, these two trunks were connected. This giant tree fell all the way over there, and if you could see it, scratched the concrete. Yeah, so that's what's really cool about it. And if you look inside of the tree right here, if you could, it's a little bit dark, but if you, but here, let me get a flashlight. I'm just getting your flashlight. Here, so look, if you see those like little spikes of wood, that's actually the branches, because the branches don't only go out of the tree, but they also go in the tree. So if you see those little spikes, those are the branches. And if you can kind of see the branches from here, but it fell off. Yeah, the branches right there, right there. Like, it's here. Let me show you. Well, just, yeah. And this is my hiking stick. Thumbs up for it.
All right.
And cut.